Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tanu Wellness. Today we are diving in a topic that impacts millions of people, the relationship between weight loss and knee pain. If you've ever struggled with knee pain, you know how much it impacts your day-to-day activities. But did you know that losing weight can significantly improve your knee health? In this video, we will explore how shedding those extra pounds can help reduce your knee pain and enhance your joint health. So, ready to take the first step? Let's get started. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way, you will not miss out on our latest videos packed with tips for a healthier life. Let's begin by understanding the connection between weight loss and knee pain. Excess weight can put additional stress on the knee, leading to discomfort and then degenerative changes in future. Do you know every pound of weight loss, there is a reduction of 4 pounds of stress on the knee? That's such a relief. People with conditions such as arthritis, especially osteoarthritis, often find it really good when they start losing weight because that helps in reducing the inflammation, pain, and allowing them to move their joint freely. So, if you want to reduce your knee pain, you have to focus on weight loss. Now, let's talk about the interesting topic working on your weight loss journey. First things first. First, you have to focus on a very balanced, right amount of nutrition in your diet. You have to include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, avoid sugary processed foods. Second thing, you have to focus on your daily physical activities. It could be a sport, it could be walking, swimming, gentle core strengthening exercises. Also, include exercises which are low impact exercises like mat pilates, yoga, which will improve your overall health without affecting your pain. So, starting your weight loss journey is the first step to reducing your knee pain. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences with knee pain and weight loss in the comments given below. Your story could inspire others. So let's take the first step. Don't go anywhere. Like always, we have a special bonus tip at the end of this video. It's a simple change that can have a big impact on your knee health. Let's explore how weight loss can improve our overall joint health. When you lose weight, your body produces less inflammatory chemicals that cause joint pain. This is particularly important for people who are suffering from a type of arthritis known as rheumatoid arthritis. Studies have shown that even losing 10 to 15 pounds can significantly reduce your knee pain and also reduce your pain levels. This leads to more active and fulfilling life. So if you want to reduce your knee pain, focus on your weight loss. Another crucial aspect is lifestyle change that will support long-term weight management and joint health. It's not just enough to do exercises or eat a proper diet. It has to be a lifestyle change. It has to be a part of your day-to-day activities. Incorporate strength training exercises to build muscles in and around the knee. Also try to add low impact exercises that will not put a lot of pressure on the knee. Lunges, modified squats, mat pilates are all good because they focus more on your core strengthening and they work around your knee structure. Include fun activities such as gardening, dancing, hiking that are more sustainable. Finally, let's discuss the importance of setting realistic goals and tracking your progress. Weight loss, we all know, is a gradual process, so don't rush. Set realistic goals and start rewarding yourself. That will keep you motivated. Use a journal or an app to track your progress. Also, try to celebrate small victories like fitting into a smaller pair or climbing that flight of stairs without pain. Keeping track of these milestones helps maintain motivation and helps you to see the progress you have made, which is extremely encouraging. As promised, here's our bonus tip. Consider incorporating anti-inflammatory food in your diet. Foods such as fatty fish like salmon, nuts, seeds, leafy green vegetables can help reduce inflammation in your body. Also, turmeric, ginger, garlic are all great addition to your meals due to their anti-inflammatory properties. For instance, adding a turmeric smoothie to your breakfast can be a great way to start your day. A simple recipe could be turmeric and ginger tea that can be soothing and beneficial drink for reducing inflammation. If you found this video helpful, like always, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel Tanu Wellness, and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Take care.